nigga take me to the feds. If the feds get behind me, shit, I'm jumping off a bridge. Hit this whip to 150 and drive this bitch off the edge. Live my life like Fast and Furious, live my life on the edge. You can never catch me slipping. Got my chopper in the bed. I bet this chopper.
The carcasses are from packs of wandering wild dogs, with them most likely to be rabid. Residents are cautioned to refrain from consuming any water sourced from the reservoir and be on the lookout for potentially dangerous.
If you click RB, you can hear where everybody at.
Bet.
The black nigga.
Who I'm with? I'm with you, though.
I'm by myself.
Who with Sonny?
I spawned by myself.
Alright. I ain't even know you could spawn by yourself. That shit never happened to me.
Yeah, this part.
It always happens to me.
You know what that mean? That mean you real.
But I think once your character is a level 10, they make you spawn by yourself. So.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
I've been spawning by
I'm
myself
a
since. Yeah.
I'm loud as shit. Oh, he on my ass. Oh, yeah. I gotta get up out of here, so.
Come towards me. I'm in the south tunnel, about to open up this door.
I'm in the furnace room trying to find an unlock too.
Let me see if he's behind.
Let's
Somebody
open
give me
up
a
this
key.
door. I'm gonna be able to see.
Somebody give me a key. I got me a key real quick.
What
Where y'all
room
at?
you
I'm
in,
trying
Tom?
to link y'all. I'm in the north storage room.
I'm in the furnace room, about to pop this door open. Once I pop it, y'all gonna see the jump turn yellow.
I hear the chainsaw.
See the jump turn yellow.
I hear the chainsaw.
Other face some shit, cause he ain't come by me yet.
I'm getting an unlock too.
Me too. I'm getting two of them. I hear
It's
him. I
on
think
with
he's
you.
coming. Yeah.
When you walk in the room, in
about
the
to
top
get
right
off.
corner, dang,
Fuck that
shows
nigga.
you
I'll
what.
slap the shit out
Keep
of
moving for a
him.
little bit and I'll stop. Whoever's
About to get off.
picklocking this door is smart as shit.
I just opened up the door.
Who's in the bone room with me? Or is
I'm in
that
the
random?
furnace room. Yeah, that might be the random. The door in the furnace room is wide open.
I'm Nick, bro.
What room you in, Tom?
I'm in the tool storage.
Alright, stay right there. I'm about to come get you. I don't even know where that shit at though, but I'm about to go in every room I see.
Oh my god. Look, he's right behind me. He almost. Woo!
Alright, he's close to me, so you close to me
Fuck,
then.
I'm making noise.
I'm in
bro.
the furnace. I'm in the furnace tunnel. You close to the tunnels? I'm in the bone room now.
I'm in the cold room. I'm right next to the tool room though. I had to switch the room. You about to come in here.
I'm in the bone room. You say you right next to what?
Nah, bro,
I'm about to
this
tool room.
random is going crazy, bro. She's unlocking the slaughterhouse.
I'm in the cold
Yeah,
room
I
right
say
now.
the random is already outside. Tone, it's a
I'm
door
with the
open
random.
in the bone room.
Alright, I'm about to see if I can make my way over there. This nigga on my ass though. I gotta tiptoe with my Jordans.
I'm trying to figure out what room you in. Like
I'm in the central tunnel room now.
Oh, I was just right there.
Alright. Oh, who
Alright,
this?
I'm right here with you.
Back,
That's
back,
me.
back.
Come
Right
on,
behind
come
you,
on.
gang.
Perfect.
I got
Come
two
on.
keys, so let me know what you. Yeah.
Alright, I got 2 keys too. Follow me. Try not to hit that bone too loud. We're gonna make this right. Fuck, that's my fault, bro. I just told you to do it and I smacked it.
I know.
Follow me. You still with me?
Yeah, I'm right here. Come
Try
on.
to stay close to me. Now come up here. I'm about to hit this crawl space right here.
Back.
If we gonna go in this right. Crouch. Hit this cut right here.
Hey, they sweet
cut
for
right
it.
here.
They sweet for it.
Yeah, They definitely bullshitting. Follow me, Tom. Don't get me. Oh, the door's already open. Somebody close, Tom. They see me. Don't come in here.
Alright.
Crouch.
I'm in the bushes right now.
All
Oh
right.
yeah, you right by me. Alright, bet.
I'm about to make a run for it. Come on, Tom. The door already open.
Alright, bet.
Leather butt coming. I close the door on you. My fault.
You there, gang. Oh, he behind us. He behind us, bro.
I know. Leather butt coming. Come on. Hurry up. Hopefully the gate open.
Oh! He chasing me, gang.
Come on.
I'm turning the generator off.
Alright, I'm about to make him chase me in circles. Y'all go ahead, do y'all
He
magic.
ran right past me. Oh,
He
Jimbo.
on me.
Get away, Bo. Get away.
Nah, I got him.
Oh,
I'm about to just make him chase me so y'all can do y'all shit. Wait, crack them jumps. He's still on me.
he on me. The
Shitty.
other nigga on me.
Oh, somebody pop the lock. Pop that lock. Tone, pop the lock.
Where?
Nigga,
Oh,
the
I got
lock
it.
on
I
the
got it. I
door.
got it. Please don't let him get me, gang. If he get close to me, let me know.
Alright, the nigga fighting. Pick it. Matter of fact, let me pick it.
You want me to get off of it?
Yeah, hurry up. I'm on the way.
He behind you though, Brody. No, that's somebody else.
That boy. I'm about to keep making him chase me.
Bet.
Damn, he killed me. Fuck.
Somebody's picking a lot of noise. Man, bro, my man dead. Free my boy.
At least bro wasted all his time trying to kill me, but all y'all about to make it out. Run out the door.
Trying to see if it's
Tone,
open.
Are you inside, nigga? The door open. One right past him, Tone.
I bet.
You gotta say you bullshit.
Open it. Oh. We out of here. We out of here.
Tone, you was bullshit. Nigga, why the fuck you was in the
I was
bush?
bullshitting.
I thought they locked it again.
They can't lock it once it's unlocked.
Nah, fair.
They sweet,
Got
bro.
one more fat ass James. Keep getting these sweet duds.
They sweet for it.
You're not even getting the dubs. You're dying.
Oh yeah, I'm dumb as shit. I'm over here thinking I done made it out. Y'all made it out. I'm some shit, man.
Yeah, this joint is lit, X. I ain't gonna lie. The Bo just got slaughtered on camera. You seen that?
I was on some brave shit. See, I should have had a bone. I could have stabbed his ass.
He sacrificed his life for the
That's
game.
why I had it. Oh shit.
We killers now.
Oh, I never been a killer, but it's time to be one. You hear me?
Good at that, man. You natural.
Yeah. I'm gonna be somebody else, bro, because I don't know what I'm doing, bro.
Who you got? Leather butt? Shit. Let me be leather butt. I call that nigga leather butt.
Brianna Rose, 43.
Armadillo passed out.
You seen the original movie?
Hospitalized earlier this week with a rare poison.
You seen the first Chainsaw, Tone?
Yeah,
First
I seen it.
Chainsaw
Yeah.
Massacre, like from 1974.
Oh no, I don't know.
That's the first jump. That's what this joint is based off. They got the hitchhiker and the cook on that joint.
No, this is based off the first movie.
Yeah, from the jump from
The
1974.
three maps are from the first movie as well.
It's crazy, bro, because when I was watching the movie, the family house looked just like how they did it in the fucking game.
I'm the old man. I'm the cook. I'm about to cook up some blast off. I'm in the kitchen cooking. Hold on. Right now. Keep coming. Wake up, Grandpa.
What the
first.
fuck you in there
I can't
cooking
get to
some
the
eggs?
basement. We gotta
Nah.
wait.
Yeah, you gotta wait till they open up. Till they make too much noise. That's what they.
Or
about
you
to
can
do
feed
with
Grandpa
Jason.
100 blood.
I ain't cooking no eggs, Playboy. I'm cooking that woohoo, that blast off, that pop.
Oh,
Someone escaped, probably.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah? I'm on his ass.
yep, I see her.
bro.
She's coming
I'm
up.
on his ass, bro.
One's coming upstairs, y'all.
How do I hit?
Oh, he.
How do I attack?
The shoot. RT. That's you chasing this nigga, right?
Well, this nigga just elbowed me, bro. I mean, shouldered me.
It's
Yeah.
Leland.
Yeah, leave that. Go back upstairs, Tom. Let's you go upstairs. They stick out. Get people down. Turn around, Tom.
He pissed off, bro.
Upstairs behind.
Alright.
Oh yeah, they definitely upstairs in the main house.
How did we get through that earlier?
They got Connie. That bitch is sneaky bitch. Sneakiest bitches of them all. I don't trust a bitch named Connie.
Nah, for real. She's gonna cheat on you. You already know.
Yeah. That's one sneaky bitch.
She's gonna cheat on you.
She definitely gonna cheat on you.
I see Leland right here with us, Tone. He trapped. Go that way, Tone. I'm right here.
Alright, I'm on him. I'm right here.
I'm about to make sure this back gate still locked.
He ran in the basement. Oh, he
ran
back up.
downstairs.
I'm about to smack him.
Smack that nigga, man.
Sit down, kid. Hey, I'm about to kill this man. He got the game twisted. I'm about to cut him off. We're going the other way. Oh, I can't go the other way. I'm tripping. Man, he got out of there.
We still on him. He's running towards y'all again. How did I miss? The fucking chainsaw overheated, bro. This bitch ass nigga.
You're supposed to be the tough one around here. They are making a fool out of you, boy.
He better run out of breath, bro. There's no way. This man got lungs.
I see Julie's trying to cut off the generator.
Oh my god.
I ran out of breath, bro. Oh my god, he in the basement. I'm about to.
Yeah, I think because the basement
Someone
exit is
also
open. I found one.
I'm gonna escape, so I'm gonna go find that exit.
One just hit back in the motherfucking wheel. I just sliced her up though.
Where are you?
I wanna know how's that bitch escaping.
I'm gonna go figure out
Generator.
where.
I think they hitting that motherfucking fuse. I think she went all the way upstairs and hit the basement exit because the generator on for the
I'm
front
gonna
and for the
feed
back.
your giblets to Grandpa.
Mine is low.
Yeah, they might be inside this crib. Try to keep your eyes up on the back, Tom. The generator's back there, so they gonna have to come to the back.
I'ma smack that Johnny upside his doggone head. This is all his doing.
Let's see.
Where did he go?
Oh my god, Leland stabbed me.
I see him. I'm on him. He ran upstairs or he ran in this room? He hit this door?
I hear him, bro.
They couldn't have gone
I think he
much
went
further.
upstairs. I'm not 100% sure though.
I found footprints outside. I'm investigating. Where?
I see one turn off the generator, Tone. You bullshitting.
But where I am?
Yeah, in the back. I'm on her ass though.
I'm over here.
It's Julie, dumbass. Come on, Julie. Let me slice you up, bitch. Come here. Got her, dumbass. Come here, bitch. Die. Oh, the chainsaw overheated. She about to hit the wheel.
You
That
better
bitch
not
is
be
good.
messing with Grandpa. Gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
Grandpa, cut
Oh
me
my
ass out.
god.
Oh, we gotta get that bitch.
This is your own fault.
Oh yeah. He dead meat. I'm gonna let y'all get it.
Only if we catch it before she get to that gate.
Oh yeah, leather
I got it.
face.
Yeah.
Yeah. I come with that chopstick.
Yeah, we eating good tonight. I'm about to take her to the
Hell
kitchen.
yeah. Take that bitch to the kitchen, nigga. I'm about to see. I'm about to cut that generator back on. Somebody in there with Grandpa.
Come on.
Nah, I gotta feed the old nigga. Check that back door, son.
Which one?
Might be a couple.
Where you at or to the right?
To the right, yeah. All the way up in the
Yeah, it's the
back.
person right here. I'm about to get him. It's two right here on me.
It's two?
Yep, I'm about to get him. I'm about to act like I don't see him. I'm about to.
I know you around here
Where you see him at?
They over here by me. They in the grass somewhere though.
We didn't have much choice. We couldn't let Johnny spring no love child around here.
Hey, can you see them in the grass or they turn invisible?
Now you can see him if you get close enough. Generator back here still on. I'm about to go feed Grandpa real quick.
Alright.
He's still level 0.
Man, they got him out of there, bruh.
That one ain't
No, ain't nobody making
Oh,
it.
lead him. Oh, he just bum rushed me, bruh.
worse.
Where he at?
He right here. He just knocked
in
me
the back.
over.
I'm on the way back.
Wait till your mother hears about this. She's gonna skin you alive.
That gate closed though. I don't know why he's trying to run over there. Why this bitch overheat so damn easy?
Oh!
How do you do that like that, bruh? He better run out of breath, bruh. Oh, God.
Where he at?
I'm right here on him.
Too dang old and worn out for this
That's
nonsense. Why is this on me to fix?
He running back inside.
You shifty as a skeeter hawk, I'll give you that.
Knock this shit out
Good
of him.
hit, son. Good hit. I just seen you crack him. I'm about to go feed the old nigga real quick.
Where'd he go? To the well?
Yeah, to the
Yeah,
well.
he hit the ground.
I'm fixing to find you all, that's for sure.
He ain't getting out of here, trust me.
Kill his ass. Fuck. There you go. But in the first movie, this old nigga can't even kill nobody.
Who, the old man?
Yeah. They put a hammer in his head and tried to let him kill somebody. The nigga can't kill shit.
They get loose, I ain't sure what's gonna happen. What? Do you see what happens when you don't listen to me?
I'm
He's
gonna
gonna
go.
jump back down the well.
Proper because of you.
I'm going upstairs to see who's up there.
He gonna jump down the well again?
No. I'm on his ass.
He's-
Hey now, if you don't stop with the runaround,
He shoulder tackled me.
Giblets to Grandpa.
He's at the car exit. He's at the car exit.
I'm on the way.
Oh no, they escaped!
From the car exit or from the front?
Yes!
Damn!
Fuck.
I like being a victim more than the family though. Did you make it out the last time, Tone, or nah?
Yeah, I did.
Is Xavier still watching?